Hi everyone, I'm showing you some DIY about the Ford Focus or some of the Ford. They have a very complicated location for oil filter. There's no any tool going to there, no tool reaching onto the location because it's right underneath here. You can see is it down there. Is there no tool is reaching the place. You can't see inside because all this thing is on the way. They may remove this box, then you can open the filter, but it's complicated to do it. Most of people you cannot do it properly. It's difficult, location too bad, but I made the tool for it. It's easy to do, easy to tighten, easy to open it. You don't need to remove anything. You just simple tool, easy to use. 27mm socket welded to the side of the spanner as it is, and very easy going to fit onto location. Now it's the hand loose. I'm gonna open it up. It's not very equipped place. You don't need to remove anything for it. Extra job, extra part. You just need to take it out as it is. There's the oil filter cap, and this is the oil filter out. So there is the location, and this is the oil filter cap. And again, this is the tool I made for it. That tool made about 4 years ago. Simple tool, rubbish spanner, 27mm. You can weld it a bit further down if you want to, but you don't need to. Weld it straight to the head and easy to fit. Make sure 6-groove one, because if not 6-groove, they may give you trouble. Which is the trouble is that groove is 6-groove. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same thing. If you're gonna fit, it never go loose. No, going to over trip. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope give you help. Thank you. Bye bye.